Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to have you with me for another episode to help improve your English. Today, we're focusing on exclamations. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode will give you a clear understanding of what exclamations are and how they're used to express emotion in English. Let's jump right in. So, what is an exclamation? An exclamation is a word or phrase that we use to express strong emotions, like surprise, joy, anger, or frustration. Exclamations are usually short, and they help us show how we're feeling in the moment. Common exclamations in English include wow, oh no, great, oops, and ouch. Let's go over a few examples to see how exclamations work. Imagine you see something amazing. You might say, wow, that's incredible. Here, wow is an exclamation that shows you're impressed. Or if something unexpected happens, you might say, oh no, I forgot my keys. In this case, oh no shows worry or frustration. If you hear good news, you could say, great, I'm so happy for you. In this example, great shows happiness and excitement. In everyday conversations, exclamations are a great way to add emotion and make your reactions sound more natural. For example, if you make a mistake, you might say, oops, sorry about that. Or if you hurt yourself accidentally, you might say, ouch, that hurt. These simple words help others understand exactly how you're feeling in the moment. Thank you for listening to Hello Word today. I hope this explanation of exclamations was helpful, and I hope you'll try using some in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. Keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next episode.